If we're going to commit to using context, and many people do, then we're going to move everything from the block configuration page and put it inside of a context. So if we go to structure here and blocks again, you'll see that we still have some blocks enabled. We have system help, we have main page content, search form, navigation, and user login. So what we would do is create a context that's site-wide, and we'd add these blocks to the particular regions within that context. This affords us some additional flexibility. For example, we can turn off that context, and thus all of the blocks on a particular page, just by passing a single parameter to the conditions of the context. If we wanted to do that in this blocks configuration page, we would need to add configuration to each one of these blocks to eliminate that page. And then, if the URL changes, for example, then we need to go in and reset it in each one of these blocks.